Hello everyone. I'm sure you are doing great. I'm here to announce the new admissions open for 24-25 session in Roots School. The new beginning, new era, and new magic. Admissions are open. Don't miss out an opportunity to be a part of something extraordinary in Kota. And my dear student, those who are already enrolled in Roots School, don't forget to come on 3rd of April 2024. This is going to be a very creative welcome for you all. Admissions doors are now wide open, welcoming eager minds and passionate learners to join our vibrant community. Whether you are seeking academic excellence, personal growth, or creative explorations, Roots School promises an enriching experience tailored just for you. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey of knowledge and discovery. So, once again, mark the date 3rd of April, new session for 24-25 at Roots School. Thank you everyone.